A very good morning to Wiswai and my fellow classmates. Have you ever wondered why people are being cyberbullied? I had no friends when I was still a teen. I was being cyberbullied, and yet I feel lonely and helpless. This threatening feeling has demolished my motivation to live. Checking in on what our kids are doing online isn't helicoptering, it's parenting. Quoted by Galliprey. One day, my parents noticed that I had the symptoms of social phobia. Hence, I was diagnosed with social phobia after examining certain behavioral patterns. Cyberbullying in this melting pot society is a grave problem that needs to be stopped immediately. Thus, I stand by you today to talk about the seriousness of cyberbullying that affects people's mental health with the solution of going to counseling. It is obvious to see that many of us students do not know we are struggling with our own mental health as we do not assess and track our own mental health. Statistics from the Ministry of Health Malaysia clearly stated that more than 10,000 Malaysians suffer from cyberbullying every year. I don't even realize that I had social phobia until my parents noticed. If we diagnose social phobia and do not get any treatment immediately because of that, as it may lead to extreme actions. Hence, we must take cyberbullying among society alarmingly because it does affect a person's behavior and personality. The most easiest and evident way to solve this issue is go for counseling. As a student, all we can do is to seek for help from counselor. In fact, there were 9 in 10 sick people do not seek treatment. Counselor is able to encourage us to open about our own issue and provide therapy that could help us heal. If you feel fearful for a day, that could be sick. If you feel fearful for a month, that could be social phobia. It's pivotal for us to know that this issue will not go away on its own, but it may be time to start researching about mental health care treatment options. Imagine someone posted a picture of you without permission online, and imagine what cyberbullying can do to us if we do not stop it. It is an undeniable fact that cyberbullying can lead to a life of inferiority, hopelessness, and even suicide death. Cyberbullying is a major element of suicide. The feeling of anxiety and fear will plunge us into a darkness of desperation. This made us think that the only way out was suicide. As a research shown, there are 26% of people have suicidal thoughts every year due to cyberbullying. To labor, I had suicidal thoughts when I was 17 years old. I still remember the day I wanted to end my life by jumping off the building. But luckily, there was a man saw and he tried to understand my situation and he tried to talk me down. Therefore, I'm convinced after a period of time. In a nutshell, it is crucial to say that cyberbullying will affect the future as it may lead to a doomsday scenario. Thus, to bear in mind that if you face any difficulties or obstacles, you should tell someone who cares us or look for a counselor right away. As quoted by Theodore Roosevelt, knowing what's right doesn't mean much unless you do what's right. Therefore, I would like to emphasize my word and convoke every one of you to stop cyberbullying and learn to love each other, as there's no use crying over spilled milk when things go awry. There are many suffer from cyberbullying all around. Do you want to be the next victim? Thank you.